Good morning, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website, of course, is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model. It's got the nice alloy rims right there. This is a rear entry ATS manual ramp. And we're going to get right into that. We're going to open the hatch. You can do the hatch manually, of course, but for today's video, I wanted to show you that it does have the power hatch. You got a one-piece design back here. It's not trifold, which makes it nice for any noise. Clamp on each side. And we're going to grab this handle here. We're going to bring it down to the ground. It is spring assisted, so it kind of walks itself down. Very easy to operate. If you can pick up a half gallon of milk from the ground, you can operate one of these manual ramps. The ramp you're looking at there is 34 inches wide. The entry is 56 inches and interior height is 58 inches. This is an ADA compliant van. The flooring on here is nice. It's easy to sweep up, keep clean. You got your two chairs back here in the back. Of course, it's the SXT model, so you have leather. You got steering wheel controls here. You got climate control for your driver, your passenger. You can control the rear. Excuse me, right there, you can control the rear, or your passenger can have full control back here. Okay, we're going to close our ramp up. Again, very easy, spring assisted. I'm going to grab here just 2 fingers, and it walks itself there. We're going to clamp it down. All right, we're gonna do a walk around on this vehicle. This vehicle is very clean. This is the second time we've owned it. We originally had the ATS conversion put into this van. The customer no longer needed it, so he came back and sold it back to us. We were happy to get it. He took very good care of it. There is one small scuff here. I don't know if that can be buffed out or not. I'll have to speak with our detailer. Our goal here in this video is for our out-of-state customers who cannot come and put their hands on the van. We do these walk-around videos so you know exactly what you're getting. A little door ding here. Small one right there too. So you know exactly what you're getting when it arrives to your home. Body's very straight, clean van. I really like the color to it. Tires have some life left. This does have the power sliding doors, remote start as well. Headliner's in great shape. No odors in this van, no smoking, no pets. We're gonna close it. Got your power windows and mirrors. All of our lights come on. And of course they all go off. This van's got 42,618 miles. Radio works. AC is cold. You can't feel it, but I assure you it's cold. Rear AC works as well. Sorry about that pause. I had a phone call come in. Test our windows. One feature I really like about these newer vans, you can control the back windows as well. And of course they work as they should. Power mirrors. Oops. Learn how to operate them. There you go. And it does have the steering wheel controls along with your Bluetooth here, so you can be hands-free if you're buying this van commercially. That's nice to have for your drivers. All right, we're going to take a look under the hood. All right, here we are with the 3.6 liter V6. Again, this van has 42,000 miles on it. No squeaks, no squeals. I do have the AC running. There's no noise from the compressor. Engine looks practically brand new. Underneath the van, no rust. It's very clean. This is a very important part if you are buying a van sight unseen, that your seller takes a few minutes to make a video like this one. If you go out there and you buy a van that's covered in rust, you just bought yourself a paperweight, a very expensive paperweight. So make sure they take a few minutes to get under the van that you might be buying to make sure your money's well spent. And of course, one thing, it does have the power seats. Work as they should. All right, let's take this on the test drive. Okay, we're going to take this on the test drive. What we're trying to do here is let you hear the engine run, the transmission shift. So we're going to get up here on the highway. We're going to finish the video off with a hard brake. Cruise control set. Van drives nice and straight down the road. It's got plenty of power with it. I like to point out while we're doing these test drives the lack of noise that you hear from that rear conversion. ATS's design is one solid piece for the ramp, which keeps a lot of noise that you normally hear from folding ramps. This way, if you are driving this commercially, your employees can have conversations with your customers or patients, or if you're using it as a family, you guys can all have a conversation as well. All right, we're going to get off here. I'm going to give it a hard brake. Hard brake. My hand's off the steering wheel. The steering wheel does not shimmy, does not shake. The van is not trying to pull itself one way or the other. The van runs and drives nearly like a new van. It's been well taken care of. Again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with 42,000 miles on a 3.6 liter V6, rear entry ADA compliant conversion manual ramp. If you have any questions at all, please do give us a call at 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. And you can always reach us on our website at mobility316.com. That is mobility316.com. If you're doing business with us, we want you to know you're doing business with somebody that has a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. Also, over 450 positive reviews on eBay. Not a single negative comment. We've been in business for nearly 8 years, shipping vans all over the country. And again, we're one of the only companies that offer free shipping in the lower 48 states. Again, give us a call if you have any questions. Our number is 316-262-8267. Thank you.